The waking of तारुक रहना.
मतलब मैं बात तो करता हूँ कि नहीं वो अलग बात होती है क्योंकि it's like tasting blood for a vampire, you know, like if I have a massive sweet tooth.
Same here.
If I can't eat one piece of chocolate, I can eat sickening amounts of chocolate.
Oh yeah. Okay, and no yeah. 1, 2, 3. No yeah.
गया,
Alright,
गया,
alright,
मैं गया.
गया नहीं है साथ में. Ready, let's start. Have you had a crush on a co-star?
Oh yeah.
अच्छा रुक जा भाई. ये
Half of the people who are United fans have only supported a winning team. They've not supported a team that they love. They've supported a winning team. There is no bad player in the Premier League.
करेक्ट. क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, मो साला जैसे बिस्किट्स हमें भी चाहिए. शायद इनके पास तो है ही बिस्किट. जल्दी देना भाई.
अरे भाई मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने सारा एक्सपोज कर दिया है.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is RJ Glenn and welcome to another exciting episode of
मित्रों, ये है तन की बात.
तन की बात जैसा आप जानते हैं हमारा नया सेगमेंट है our YouTube podcast where we are talking to people about their fitness goals and how do they remain fit. Today we are in conversation with actor singer Taruk Raina. Taruk, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
You're the perfect match. You're not the mismatch over. You're the perfect match over. फुटबॉल से बहुत लगाव है इनका. लिवरपूल के फैन है. Mo Salah.
Mo Salah.
We'll talk about that. Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7 forever, but we'll talk about all of this. But Taruk, first up, thank you so much for joining me here. Tell me, as an actor, आप 10-10, 12-12 घंटे shoot करते हैं. What's that one thing that you always eat to stay fit? Like, what do you do?
I mean, I don't really have a fitness regime as such, but when I'm shooting, I just like, you know, I keep munching on like protein bars and stuff like that just to keep myself going because you can't really eat a lot because you get lazy and complacent and then you don't feel like moving.
वो नींद आ जाती है थोड़ी सी.
नींद आ जाती है थोड़ी, so you kind of just eat like a lot of dry fruits, lots of water.
Water.
And, yeah, lots of water, lots of dry fruits and just like kind of just keep going, you know. Have a small piece of chocolate every now and then.
I like what you said, small piece of chocolate. Portion control. आप हमेशा
Yeah.
portion control की बात कर रहे हैं.
मतलब मैं बात तो करता हूँ कि नहीं वो अलग बात होती है क्योंकि it's like tasting blood for a vampire, you know, like if I have a massive sweet tooth.
Same here.
Like I have actually stopped eating sweets completely.
It's a choice.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a choice. I have to do it. I can't just eat that much. On shoots I can because I don't feel like eating because I'm constantly thinking about अभी क्या करना है. So you know you're not in the relaxed mode where you're like I'm going to eat. But otherwise I just if I can't eat one piece of chocolate, I can eat sickening amounts of chocolate.
Bro, that's something that all of us as people suffer from, this sweet tooth. From majority of people I know मीठा खाने की आदत है हमें, लेकिन जैसा आप कह रहे हैं करना पड़ता है क्योंकि ये आपके काम के लिए important है, most importantly for your health also.
Yeah, that's true.
The waking of Taruk Rahna. We're going to be chatting up about his latest show also. लेकिन उसके पहले we have a fun challenge with you. If you have done this, you're going to say "oh yeah," and if you haven't done it, you're going to say "no yeah."
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to practice this. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Okay. And no yeah. 1, 2, 3. No yeah. But what we're going to try is we're going to try it with a twist. All right. तो ऐसा होगा कि आपको एक पैर ऊपर करना है क्योंकि हम फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay.
अबे यार.
We're going to balance our bodies and we are going to start.
लगा,
All right. Ready? Let's start. Okay.
गया,
All right.
गया,
All
मैं
right.
गया.
गया नहीं है साथ में. Ready? Let's start. Have you had a crush on a co-star?
Yeah.
You have to say oh yeah, no yeah.
No yeah.
Used a fake ID before turning 21.
No yeah.
Okay. Ghosted someone after a bad date.
No yeah.
Worked with someone you couldn't stand.
Oh yeah.
अच्छा रुक जा भाई. ये used a fake excuse to avoid a collaboration.
Oh yeah.
Been in a situationship without realizing it.
Oh yeah.
Written a song about someone who doesn't know it's for them.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Had to give major career move a secret and almost slipped. Like मतलब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है और निकल गया मुंह से वो.
Oh yeah.
Stalked an ex on social media.
Oh yeah.
Turned down a project because you didn't like it much.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Ever flirted with a fan?
No yeah.
Okay. Used a fake name while flirting with someone. Before
No,
you
yeah.
became like the actor.
No yeah.
Dude, this man has balanced out all my questions beautifully. एक पैर पे खड़े होके please give it up for this gentleman who's absolutely दूसरा पैर नहीं जा सकता. Well done, well done. We're moving ahead in our segment on our podcast. I want to know from you, bro. You're a Liverpool fan.
Yes.
Mo Salah has been slaying it.
Yes.
And that guy's of a different mentality altogether.
Yeah.
Footballer से आप क्या
You know, it's not the whole team, the way they're playing, they're actually facilitating everyone very well. Like everyone is playing well. Like
What's happened to Man City?
I guess every team has. It's not like it's not an anomaly. Every team has one season like this. You're talking about it. Also ना लोग भूल जाते हैं कि ये अभी 6 प्रीमियर लीग और एक ट्रेबल जीते हैं अभी. 8 महीने पहले, ये इतनी पुरानी बात नहीं है. They were the best team in the world 8 months ago. They've just had a bad season. I think with the way they're coming back, and obviously they need a slight rebuild and all, they'll be top 4.
What is that one thing that you take from footballers? Like एक inspiration in terms of their diet, fitness, वो क्या कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको लगती है mentality के रूप में एक बताइए और physicality के भी रूप में?
I honestly think the most difficult thing is to have that mental composure. Because I'll tell you, after a point now in a pro circuit, everyone is fit.
Everyone is at top
And
level.
everyone is good. You know, even in the Premier League, when a player is playing badly, that player is still a Premier League player.
मतलब hardest league in the world.
He is still a top player who's not having a good day. Like there is no bad player in the Premier League.
Correct.
Like I mean, I know we criticize and it's football. And ये बेकार है, ये इसको निकाल. But he is also a top player. Like every player there is a top player.
Correct.
Like for example, in our leagues also, every player who's reached there is probably a fantastic player. It's just about the kind of mood you're in. The confidence you have on a ball and like, you know.
So you're saying mentality is one thing that you want to take, and in terms of physical aspect, what is that one thing जो footballers करते हैं जो आप अपनी daily life में incorporate करना चाहेंगे in terms of fitness? What is that one thing?
भागना यार. मैं बहुत भागता था एक टाइम पे, but like the amount a footballer has to run is insane. It's insane.
It's the fitness, the overall fitness that you want to take.
You know, I think 70% of that game is you first have to be of that physical capability because that's what it is. It's you have to run your hardest. You have to, it's the getting the ball back off the ball that is the most tough. That's why like defensive midfielders today are such an important position. That's why Rodri is the best player. Like even though he's injured, bichara. But like, you know, that's why this position didn't exist before. Like Sir Alex Ferguson actually got that Michael Carrick, you know, situation. Got Sergio Busquets came in. Like these guys changed it. And that's the biggest thing. Javier Mascherano, like all of these people, like.
Interesting, man. So physicality in terms of running, which will again for me, running is very therapeutic. जब मैं भागता हूँ ना, I feel like I'm praying to God. I'll tell you why, because my breath is so aligned. I'm not talking about sprinting, but the jog. My breath is so aligned with my nervous system. मेरे लिए हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि my prayer or my talk, that is meditation for me, and it is more thank you as opposed to give me this and give me that. What we're going to do is we're going to take a cut quickly here, and we're going to go to our last segment where क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, मो साला जैसे बिस्किट्स हमें भी चाहिए. शायद इनके पास तो हैं ही बिस्किट. हम क्या करेंगे हमारे अगले सेगमेंट की तरफ? लेट्स गो टू द प्लैंक चैलेंज. 3, 2, 1. ऑलराइट तारुक, वी आर हियर फॉर द प्लैंक चैलेंज. हम क्या करने वाले हैं? रैपिड फायर खेलने वाले हैं आपके साथ. रैपिडली सवाल पूछने वाले हैं, जल्दी जवाब देना, लेकिन वर्ड लग जाएगी. ओके, 3, 2, 1. अ क्लीशे जेस्चर यू सीक्रेटली लव इन अ रिलेशनशिप.
Like a good morning.
Oh, lovely.
First message should be me.
Along with some flower का bouquet?
No.
Okay.
That's an uncle one. That's a WhatsApp forward.
A weird rumor that you heard about yourself.
That I'm worth $20 million.
वो आया था इंटरनेट पे. हाँ. क्या बात है.
मेरे पास एक भी मिलियन नहीं है.
अच्छा, ये बताओ one trait that Taaruk has that nobody knows.
I can.
जल्दी देना भाई.
अरे भाई मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने सारा एक्सपोज कर दिया है.
ठीक है. Role that you auditioned for and you didn't make it.
Most. Lots of them.
ये वाला तो जो नया सीरीज करो उसमें तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने किया लेकिन तुम्हें मिल गया. What's the most embarrassing way you've been? क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार? Friend zoned.
Ghosted.
Okay. If your DMs were leaked, whose name would cause the most drama?
Vinay Sharma.
Okay. What's one cringy trend in Bollywood that needs to stop?
I don't. Maybe Paps.
चल रुक जाते हैं अभी, हो गया.
नहीं करो.
भाई कंपटीशन दे रहा है यार भी. If you delete one app from your phone forever, which one would that be?
I don't know, a shopping app.
Okay. Have you ever hooked up with anybody from your DMs?
No.
बस.
बाकी तो था.
नहीं. तारुक, thank you so much for joining me on तन की बात. बाकी की जो बातें हैं, if you want to ask him any question, like the rapid fire, comment below. comment करने बोल देना यार.
Comment below.
और वो छोटे समोसे दिखाते ना सब्सक्राइब के लिए.
Yes. Subscribe, like, subscribe and share. And turn your notifications on and the bell icon and everything to do with everything.